To collect payments from tenants, you can use the Payments feature. Open the hamburger menu and tap on Payments. You can see there are 3 filters: unpaid, paid and all. By default, unpaid filter is selected and all the unpaid payment records are loaded. You can use the date filter to further refine the search. If you want to send rent due reminders through SMS or WhatsApp, simply tap on the SMS or WhatsApp icons. If you want to collect multiple payments at once, you can tap on the multiple payments icon and you will see a checkbox next to each of the due payments. You can select the ones that you want to collect and tap on the submit button at the bottom right. If you want to send a reminder for an individual due record, tap on the bell icon and select either SMS or WhatsApp icon to send respective notifications. To collect a payment, tap on the Collect button on the payment record. The Collect Payment screen will open. Verify the payment for period of the payment, amount to be collected fields on this screen. Enter the right amount to be collected in the input field. Note that you can also collect partial amounts spanning over different payments here. You can select any of the payment modes: cash, card, check, NEFT, IMSS or UPI. When you select any option other than cash, you will see the reference number input field to record the bank reference number if required. You will also be able to select payment date and enter comments in the comments field for the payment here. Once you are done, verify the amount due and click on the Proceed button. The payment will be marked as paid. If you want to collect an additional amount on top of the payment, click on the I want to collect an additional amount on the rent checkbox. Select the amount type, enter the amount that you want to collect and the amount being paid at this point of time and click on the Add button. You can see that the additional amount entry has been added on the screen. When you click on the Proceed button, a payment due record along with the amount paid will be added against the tenant for the selected additional amount type. If you want to give a discount on the amount being collected, either to adjust it against certain offers or making corrections on the payment, you can use I want to give a discount on the amount to be collected checkbox. On checking this checkbox, you will see a discount amount input. Enter the amount that you want to provide a discount for and click on the Proceed button. The entered discount will be deducted against the amount to be collected. When you select the Paid filter, you can see the paid payment records. On each of the records, you will see Info and Receipt buttons. On clicking the Info button, you will see the payment history. In case of partial payments, you will see all the entries of the payments ordered by the date it has been collected. On clicking the Receipt button, the payment receipt for the payment will be downloaded onto your device. If you want to update the payment details after the payment has been marked as paid, tap on the Paid Payment record. You will see the Update Payment pop-up where you can update the payment mode, payment date, bank, reference number and comments. Once done, click on the Submit button and the changes will be updated. That's all. Filter is a combination of both unpaid and paid filters.